Okay, behind me we have the Eliza Furnace Historic Site, Indiana County Parks and Trail. This is in Pennsylvania, about an hour outside of Pittsburgh. Check out this furnace behind me. Thanks for following. Thanks. Hey guys, join us here. We are an hour outside of Pittsburgh. This property is listed in the National Register of Historic Places. So I will bring you back so you can see. This is an old furnace, steel, because we're outside of Pittsburgh. So it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. Check it out. This is a historic landmark. Did you read the sign? Thanks for joining us today. We're an hour outside of Pittsburgh. Check this out behind us. This is a steel furnace. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.